I'm assuming that you have already installed Gemini CLI and Antigravity on your PC. If you haven't installed them yet, check out my previous video first. First, open Google and search for Blender MCP. Then, copy the GitHub link for this plugin. Next, find Blender through the Windows Start menu. Check the installation location, then copy the path to the Blender installation folder. After that, open Antigravity and select Open Folder. Paste the Blender folder location that we copied earlier. Then, in the chat box, simply paste the GitHub plugin link and ask Gemini to install it into the Blender folder. Follow the instructions until the installation is complete. For the second step, ask Gemini to configure everything so we can use Gemini inside Blender through the installed MCP. Next, open Blender. Go to Edit, Preferences, then open the Add-ons menu. You should see the Blender MCP add-on there. Enable it by checking the checkbox. Then, in the Blender viewport, press N on your keyboard. At the bottom of the sidebar, open the Blender MCP tab. Then click Connect to MCP server. A port number should appear, matching the port specified in the instructions from Antigravity. This means the connection was successful. Now, let's try it out. I'll delete the default cube in the middle of the viewport and ask Gemini to create a low-poly tree based on the information I provide. And the result is amazing. Going forward, we'll experiment even further with Blender and Unreal Engine. Thank you so much for watching this video.